So the next experiment is Zener diode characteristics. That is, in this experiment we are going to investigate characteristics of Zener diode. That is, forward biasing as well as reverse biasing is explained here. Forward biasing means, so the negative terminal is connected to the negative end of the battery and the positive end of the diode is connected to the positive end of the terminal of the battery means, so that will be called as on forward biasing. If the polarity is changed, it means if we go through the second diagram, the negative terminal of Zener diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the positive terminal of the Zener diode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So this is called as on reverse biasing. So I already know that is the difference between ordinary diode and Zener diode is, so it can operate in reverse region also. So reverse biasing also it can operate. So that is the uniqueness of Zener diode than other diodes. So today I am going to explain about what are the characteristics of Zener diode. So to verify the Zener diode characteristics, this ready-made kit is used. So obviously if you want to verify means you have to put some circuit diagram like this. But here a ready-made kit is available for checking Zener diode characteristic. So it is easy to connect. It is an easy experiment. But if the kit is not available means you have to connect like this. Okay, you are using a rheostat and a resistance box and ammeter and a Zener diode. You have to connect this. So you have to memorize these circuit also. Okay. And also in your practical notebook for forward biasing and reverse biasing circuit diagram is there. So this is, so closely watched, this is Zener diode. So it consists of two terminals, that is in one end, terminals not, it consists of two ends. So one end is blackly coated. Okay, that black coated end is called as a negative end of the Zener diode, and the remaining rest of the end is called as it is denoted as a positive end. Okay, that is, this is Zener diode. So if we go through this diode, so it consists of two end. So end is now it's clear that black end is negative end of negative terminal. You are going to take negative terminal of Zener diode from this point only, and the rest of the side will be considered as a positive end. So you should know the difference between positive and negative end. So for forward biasing, I am going to connect positive terminal of Zener diode to positive and the negative terminal of diode into negative. That is, you already know which one is positive end, which one is negative end. Now I am connecting positive end of the Zener diode to the positive terminal of the kit. Okay, and the rest of the terminal, that is black ended terminal, is considered as the negative terminal, and that negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the kit, that is battery. So this is battery connection. So now we can conclude that the Zener diode is in forward biasing, because positive end is connected to the positive terminal and negative end is connected to the negative terminal. Now it is process forward biasing. Now I am switch on the kit. So how you can take the readings means, you are going to increase the voltage and you are going to measure the corresponding current. So it's very clear, that is, for every voltage you have to take reading from, for every voltage you have to take the reading from current terminal. Okay, so here you are going to adjust voltage value. So a particular voltage mela, it will be go out of scale, because this is the Zener voltage in forward biasing region. So இதுக்கு மேலே போச்சுன்னா it will be exceeding. So this is the Zener voltage in forward biasing mode. Okay, so according to that you are going to take the reading like this. So you know the difference between ordinary diode and Zener diode. So ordinary diode can operate only in forward region, but Zener diode characteristics is can operate in reverse biasing region also. So now I am going to change. Likewise we have to take these kind of readings for putting the graph. So forward biasing means for every you have to take that voltage in x-axis and current in voltage in x-axis is current in y-axis. So you have to plot the graph like this. So you can obtain like this. For taking the negative region, that is a reverse region, you are going to connect that Zener diode in reverse biasing region. That is, now the positive end of the Zener diode is connected to negative and negative end of the Zener diode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So that will be considered as the reverse biasing of Zener diode. So now I am going to change. And you have to reverse, that is the positive terminal of the end of Zener diode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and negative end of Zener diode is connected to the positive end of the battery. Connected. Now I am going to take the reading for reverse biasing region. So I am adjusting the voltage. So at a particular voltage it does not going towards, that is it does not going forward. So this voltage is considered as the Zener voltage. That is, so for reverse biasing region, that negative end is connected to positive terminal and the positive end of the Zener diode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now we are checking, that is at a particular voltage it does not moving, that is it will be in constant state. So you have to take, so this constant stage is called as a breakdown voltage of Zener diode. That is idukku mela adu move agave agadu. Okay, so you have to take the reading like this. That is in the case of reverse biasing region, that is you are increasing a voltage. So at a particular voltage actually increase நீங்கள் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணும்போது கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். ஒரு ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு 10 வோல்ட்டுக்கு it should be in constant value, then only current rating will be raised. Okay, so clearly watch. When I have raised the voltage value, the current value is constant, does not raise, it is in zero condition. After 15 only it should be raised. Okay, so likewise you have to take at which voltage the current has been raised, that voltage is called as on breakdown voltage. So the corresponding voltage is, this is not correct. So this is your breakdown voltage for Zener diode. That is in reverse region you are, as well as usual, you are raising voltage and the corresponding current will be noted. For a particular voltage that current does not raising, it is in zero stage. After that, after some voltage it will be raised. So you have to note in which voltage the current will be raised. That voltage is called as a breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. So that's all about Zener diode, but you should plot the graph between voltage and current for both region, that is forward region, and you have to take the reverse region to check forward characteristics as well as reverse characteristics for Zener diode. So that's all about Zener diode. Thank you.